It's my husband's birthday today, so I planned a trip for him. We are at Hiesan Enyakushi Temple in Shiga.
Lots of hills and steps. It's hard with the baby.
No. Easy for the baby. Easy for you.
Oh yeah, it's easy for you.
I don't know. Go up the stairs quickly and go around. How's the stairs, are you? Easy?
Is it easy for you?
That's so ridiculous. What's over there? That's quite pretty. Can I check that quickly and then we go around?
We arrive at a hot spring hotel. There's a cute bathtub with hot spring in our balcony, and we can look over the beautiful Lake Bira from our room.
So we got the 2 coins.
That's it.
Okay.
Very good. Meeting with Mama Nat. Okay.
Mama.
Mama Nat. Yes.
Okay.
Okay, everybody snack? Snack.
Open. Ask Dada. But you got that in the sleeper, that's why you're walking like this.
You can choose your favorite yukata, which is Japanese roomwear. You can wear this even outside of your room too. The lobby is like this. 4:30 to 7:30 p.m. is the happy hour. You get 1 glass of wine each and some soft drinks and snacks for free. They got little ice cream as well.
Hey. One for you. One for me. Me.
So we got this for the hour price, which is 300 yen. And then the
By $1.50 now.
I'm happy with this cheap meal deal.
Pretty good deal. Need
It's a happy
need
deal.
3 more before dinner. Oh yeah? Eat. Peanuts for me?
乾杯して始めてください。
はい、ありがとう。Which second? Can you check? Yaya karakuchi 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 yaya karakuchi karakuchi yaya karakuchi yaya karakuchi karakuchi amakuchi karakuchi. Yeah. My favorite. Yeah. Honjozu. Artistically, as a tip.
Yeah, it's an egg.
It's an egg.
Looks like a persimmon.
It's like kombu and like wakame, like mixed together. They cut the wakame like very carefully, or stamped it, maybe with a machine, and like put a piece of kombu and like made a flower, like looks like a. I ate it all.
Is it ninja?
Yeah, I think so.
Actually, everything too. Korean meat. That's Thai, no?
Good.
Homogen ayu, so it's got the egg like shishamu.
Wow. With eggs inside. You just bite through the whole fish. It's amazing. And it's nice teriyaki, like very soft, subtly sweet, glazed like unagi.
Next is the beef sushi.
Sushi with the famous, very costly seasonal matsutake mushroom.
She wants soup.
Right? Very nice. Nice texture.
And then the key is the dashi.
That's first a test. Now drink.
That's the test. You like it? Yeah? More?
Soup?
Oh, making.
Just a little
Give me
quick,
the
right?
plate.
Okay.
Mine. Oh, making.
Nice good. Creamy.
柔らかい。とろける。しいたけご飯とお漬物。
This balloon is made of Japanese paper washi. This toy is too early for her. She destroys it.
こちらデザートハッピーバースデー
Happy birthday. ありがとうございます。
おめでとうございます
Carrie's gonna sleep with you.
I will. No more eat.
No more monkeys jumping on the bed. No more eat.
No more eat.
Good morning.
どうしましたか?
You didn't push the button.
Oh no. Second floor? Smells good.
I chose this hotel because it's got lots of good reviews about the food. The dinner was really good, but breakfast looks amazing too. It was about 30,000 yen, $217 per person to stay here. It comes with hot spring in the room, an amazing dinner course meal, and breakfast buffet. In the United States, you probably get a room but no spa or food for the same price.
Let's go. Put your chair. Oh yeah, your chair.
We're going to enjoy a big bath before the checkout.
I ate the
食べれ
cream.
なかったので今から食べます今日雨だねジョニーいけてワンワンキュー You like your mama? You want one one coco? One one pocket Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe and hit the like button. Leave some comments too. Bye!